Hello and welcome. In this guide, I'll explain how you can recover a Facebook account that has been permanently disabled. The process is simple, and if you follow carefully, you'll be able to send a proper request to the Facebook support team. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Disabled Account Recovery. From the search results, make sure to click on the official Facebook website. This will take you directly to the Help Center, where all the information about disabled accounts is available. Once you are on the Help Center page, scroll down until you find the section that asks, "Was this helpful?" Choose No, and then select the option that says, "This solution doesn't work." A text box will appear, giving you the chance to send a message directly to the Facebook team. In this box, write a short request asking for help to recover your account, and include important details such as the email linked to the account, the phone number, your username if you remember it, and a contact email where they can reply. After you provide this information, click on the Submit button. Your request will be forwarded to the Facebook support team for review. They will contact you at the email address you provided, and all you need to do is follow their instructions to complete the recovery process. And that's how you can request access back to your disabled Facebook account.